Welcome to RCRV!
Awesome to be out camping and be able to see some snow, but falling trees. It does seem to be a pattern, especially on some RV YouTube channels, because there have been several channels that have had trees fall on their rigs. We are hoping not to be the next one.
Yeah, no, please.
But we're not gonna let that stop us. Again, the whole point of getting out there and RVing is for adventure, and this is an adventure. So
Here we are.
Here we are. We're gonna see what it's like. Welcome to RCRV 2022 camping season. We are here at Fort Yargo State Park, and this is gonna be a unique episode. We are going on a hike around the lake. There's a whole bunch of trails in this park. Fort Yargo is a pretty neat state park here. One of the unique things about this park is they have a lot of bike trails, and they have different levels. So you have like a beginner, an intermediate, and advanced. Last year we were here, we brought our bikes and we went on the advanced trails, and let me tell you, they're pretty cool. They've got wooden bridges, they've got jumps, they're miles long, they've got several of them. Another unique thing about this park is they have these yurts. They're like canvas-sided tents that are right on the water, on the lake. They look really cool. Yeah, they have a beach, but most of the campgrounds on the lake have beaches. I knew that the park had the yurts for rent, but we didn't know that they had cabins too. And these have a really nice view overlooking the lake here. They look really big, and they've got screened-in porches, and you can see them behind here, and directly across them are facing on this lake here. Really cool amenities in this state park here. There's no bridge guard.
What is your name? What is your favorite color? What is the airspeed velocity of a laden swallow?
Another bridge. What are we gonna do for this one? You shall not pass! This is a dam we're walking across right on the lake. The water's falling in there, and it's tunneling through this dam and coming out down there. It's pretty cool. Oh no. That's gonna drive me nuts all weekend. Fortunately, thanks to my friend Ross over at RV Tips and Travel, I know how to fix this. This is the trick here. You gotta spray it on the inside as well. All right, I think we got it. T9. Thanks, Ross.
So what do you think about the wood?
Seems wet, but I really can't tell. I can tell you though, I miss this.
Yeah.
Traveling across country in different states is super fun, but just weekend camping in the winter, local campgrounds, cutting firewood. This is like camping, you know.
Yeah.
Traveling is amazing, but it's fun just to go camping too.
I agreed. I was ready for this camping.
All right, let me explain what's going on this weekend. Ironically, in Georgia this weekend, we're supposed to get a snowstorm. We're supposed to get 2 to 5 inches of snowfall. We bought this camper because it is a all-season camper. It's got heated tanks and everything. We really want to take it out and go see some snow, like maybe in Colorado or something. So we looked at this as a chance to just kind of try this new rig out and really see how it fares in cold weather. The concern is, here in Georgia, when we get freezing rain and snow, we'll have trees that fall just from the weight.
Yeah, looking up there and see all the trees. It's a little scary, but it's adventure too, you know?
Yeah, but this is how we roll. We were just like, you know what, let's do it. We filled the fresh tank so we can unhook from the hose bib tonight, so when it freezes we still have water in the rig. I'm excited.
Me too. I'm excited.
And I think the kids are really gonna enjoy seeing some snow. Some of you guys up north, you don't understand how we get so excited about snow.
Like, just an inch of snow, we're happy. Like any snow, it's
just
good.
to be able to see it falling. Well, we woke up this morning and it's snowing. We are getting ready to sit down and eat breakfast. We have this awesome snowstorm. So we got eggs, pancakes, bacons. There's something really magical about having this snowstorm view in your camper when you're out camping. It's our first time and we're pretty excited, so we're getting ready to enjoy this to the fullest. Whoa. We are enjoying this time here camping in the snow. There's a couple things I have to do. The temperatures come up a little bit today, so I'm going to fill up the fresh tank again so that we can unplug again the hose tonight. And then I'm gonna have to get a propane tank and go refill it. We used the last of our propane the day before in tank 1. Last night we put it on tank 2, and this morning we're already at 50%. So the furnace is working really hard to keep the camper really warm. Really impressed with this Allliance. It does heat the underbelly, the floors are warm, the entire camper is good, but it uses a lot of propane when it's constantly running. So I found a place about 7 miles away, so I'm gonna fill up the tank to make sure that we have plenty of propane to last through the rest of this weekend. All right, so no propane here at the Tractor Supply Company. They do sell it, but they're out. So she told me to maybe check down the street over at Ace Hardware. We're gonna go check it out and see what I can find. There's a Walmart right here next to it. I'm gonna go here and just buy a little 20-pound tank so that we have a backup. And worst case scenario, we can use it for the grill.
Okay. Yeah.
Is there anything you need since I'm at Walmart? Is there anything you can think of off the top of your head?
Here.
Okay, I like your style. Alright, so no luck. No propane. I tried to get just the lid to a trash can for the kids to sled. They wouldn't give it to me. And so the only thing I got was the beer. So at least the most important thing they had in stock. So I think we're gonna have to shut the propane off during the day, run the electric heaters, and then save it for tonight. I think that's the only plan. We are at it again in this snow. We're gonna go walk back to that dam we were yesterday on the trail. Nico has his skateboard without the wheels on it, and Sabrina has a top to a plastic tote that was in the camper. And we're gonna see if we can't do a little bit of sledding in the snow. Harley's not sure what he thinks about the snow on his quad. At least he's rolling in style though. You want to talk about what we're drinking?
It's called hot wine. So what you do is warm up the wine until it's really hot, and then you add sugar, cinnamon, and what is the other one? The cloves?
Yeah, clove, cinnamon sticks,
and
sugar.
Yes, and boil it.
The trick we've learned is don't boil it, just heat it, because if it starts to boil, it burns off all the magical alcohol. Because one cup's not enough. Oh, that's gonna look nice. I wish I could take credit for this, but Pao is the mastermind behind all this. Harley, what a tragedy.
Hey Beth, you ready to go? You want to give it a try? Ahí va, ahí va, ahí va. He's going, he's going, he's going, he's going, he's going!
So we had a great time sledding and getting in the snow. We're all wet, and you know, snow, freezing, wet doesn't mix, so we're heading back to the camper. But We did meet an amazing family, the Saeed family. They came and we talked for like, what, an hour, right?
Probably,
It
yeah,
felt like an
literally
hour. Another fellow RVers, a lot of the same history as us. Started for like 10 years tent camping, then bought their RV, and we got invited over their campsite later tonight for some drinks and fire pit. We respect everybody's comfort level as far as being on camera and YouTube, and we just really enjoyed getting to know them and talking to them, so we want to give them a shout out on the video. But this is why we love RVing. We don't go to a single place if we don't meet some amazing people. Charlie's like, I got this. I can walk myself. We've got it down, so it takes us, what, 15 extra minutes
Yeah.
at the dump station to winterize every time. I would give you a video of winterizing, but I gotta be honest, our friend Ross over at RV Tips and Travel has about the best, most detailed video of how to winterize your camper. If you've never done it and you don't know, check out Ross's video. I'm gonna leave right here. In the meantime, thanks for watching, and we'll see you out there.